God, it's so wet right now. Oh, it's seeping in my socks. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in the woods right now. If you're normal, you probably are asking yourself, why in the world am I watching someone in the woods? Quite honest with that, I don't know why you are. But I've kind of had this little ongoing secret here. And to be honest, not many people know about it unless you're a close friend of mine, which a lot of you are because I don't have any viewers. But, oh yeah, this will be beautiful. So, actually, over in that direction, I can turn the camera around. Over in that general direction, you see there's a house over there, that's not what I'm talking about. There's a house up there somewhere that, that has a nice little like wooded backyard, kind of like this. We actually built like a small little mountain bike trail. It was literally just an oval. It was the most boringest thing ever. But listen, we built this when we were like 8 years old. It was pretty nice. We like just used our like bare hands. We got some tools. We got some like shovels and like a rake, and I think that was it. So you know, we were pretty proud of ourselves. We had like some banking too. We had a giant hill in it. Anyways, what we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna connect the track to here, and we're just gonna ride it all the way through the woods. I think this is gonna be actually really fun. I think this is actually gonna be really fun. All right, so I'm gonna head back up to my porch, and I'll show you guys kind of what we have to work with. We have a giant canvas, guys, just to let you know. All right, this is the canvas we have to work with. I was actually over there in that woods, a little bit deeper. And I have all of these woods to work with. That goes really far back, by the way. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. I'm thinking multiple trails. Just gonna get my friend out. He's probably still in bed. It's like 11:30. I wouldn't be surprised. All right, so I'm here with Nick.
What's up, guys?
You know him. We wanted Guba to come out, but he's hitting golf balls apparently. Yeah, if he's not in a video, you know he's doing something weird. So this is our measly little track now. It's quite boring. There's bamboo all over the place. A bit muddy down here. A quick layout of it. Have a little off track there. We got some banking up here. It's a little turn. Then you just go back down here behind the shed and you do it all over again. So it does come to be quite repetitive, but today hopefully we're gonna change that.
Yeah.
Because we have all of this to work with. Just go straight down the hill into here. It's gonna be a lot of work. Yeah. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so special guest has joined the party. Guba. Yeah, so this is Guba. He was the guy who was running with a ball in the trick shot video.
You'll kind of be able to see me. You can kind of see me now. Guba's over there playing with a ball. I'm not really sure what he's doing. Nick's down there helping with pucks. Oh, you can't see.
Trick shot video. So yeah, we're just trying to clear this out. We've done a little bit of progress. Guba's raking, his favorite. We're just trying to get through here. Probably can't do much of a thing because I had to work. I have to work on the track.
Go. You really think it's that like?
Basically, you had to work.
Alright guys, so I have really wacky hair. I'm gonna try and angle myself so you guys can see me better. Welcome to the inaugural run of the McNabbage Trail. I'm excited, alright? Goob is excited here. It's not complete, alright? I just want to make that clear. We've got like,
clear.
it's good, but it's not complete. So
Still a
this
lot
is
of
round
head-offs.
1. Here we go. Oh, I have to go over the bank. Alright. Here we go. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Definitely a terrible idea. 100%.
Oh no,
First drop.
oh no,
Second drop.
oh no,
Third drop. The biggest.
oh no,
So hard.
oh no, oh
Look
no,
at that scared drop. Here goes Scuba. Dies on the second one. Oh no, he's out of control. Goes around this third hurdle. Interesting. Yeah, this turn is tough. Full on brakes, hits the yarn ball,
oh no,
and he will make it.
oh no,
Love you!
oh no, oh no, oh no.